Hi guys, it's Rochelle. I hope you guys are all doing good. I wanted to steer some of my videos into the stock realm and create a series documenting my dividend investing journey and hopefully have you guys come along for the journey. I wanted to create this series and have at least one monthly video update and hopefully more, but we'll see how that goes. So welcome to season 1, episode 1. And I found stocks to be really important to me because I see this as being a big portion of my retirement plan. And the reason why I began investing in stocks is because I learned how powerful compound interest can be. So with compound interest, you can invest something like $1,000 and have that turn into maybe like $100,000 or even $1 million over time, which I think is so mind-blowing. But as of right now, I want to specifically focus on my dividend investing and share that with you guys. I will be using Robinhood as my main platform for dividend investing. However, I do have some dividend stocks in M1 Finance, but I normally use M1 Finance more for my Roth IRA. So if you guys want to join either of those platforms, there will be links down below where you can either get one free stock from Robinhood worth up to $200, or you can get $10 when you deposit $100 with M1 Finance, but no pressure at all for using those links. So let's get started and see my recent dividends that I've been making through Robinhood. Looking at my last 30 days, starting at the bottom, I received 59 cents from SPHD, then $4.16 from AT&T, which is my biggest dividend I've ever gotten from a single company. So I'm really excited about that. And next, I got 60 cents from AGNC. This stock is pretty volatile, so I make sure not to hold too much in this company. And lastly, Apple gave me $2.26. So this makes November being my biggest dividend payout. So let's see some of my future goals. My first goal is to invest $10,000 into the stock market, and my second goal is to earn an average of $20 monthly dividends, and I want to achieve this by the end of 2021. And I'd also love to hear about your guys' investment goals, whether it is trading Bitcoins or growth stocks. And just a heads up, I will be returning as a full-time college student next semester and probably won't be working a full-time job. However, it is my last semester since I'm finally graduating, and therefore my initial first half of the year might be a little weird with my investments. So how will I get there? As of right now, you can see in my Robinhood portfolio, I have about $2,700 invested into the stock market. So that means I need about $6,300 more, whether that's from my own pocket, dividends, or capital gains, to reach that goal of $10,000. To reach my monthly dividend goals, I'd like to aim for stocks that have a minimum of 3% in dividends. Currently, my annual dividend income is only at 1.5%, so I'd really like to increase that. And I actually do have stocks that pay out over 9%, but many of the higher paying dividend stocks are riskier. At the beginning of the year, I started updating an Excel sheet so that it would be easier to keep track of my dividend investments. And I've actually seen a lot of dividend growth since the beginning, and this is actually why I wanted to make this video. My Excel sheet is a little messy, so I made a graph to make it easier to read. In January of this year, I made 54 cents in dividends, and that's actually from a total of only 4 companies, but I owned over 15 companies when I made this dividend. So around May to July, I started to invest more, so you could see a dividend increase in August where I had a total of $2.85. Then I had my highest payout in the month of November, which still isn't over yet at this time of the recording, and I received $7.91, and I'm expected to get over $8. I can't wait for the day where I earn my first $20 in a month from dividends. So let me know in the comments down below some of your investment goals, and stay tuned for episode 2 of this investment journey. And please like and subscribe, as it is a free way to help support my channel. And thank you for all the support, and let's excel in life together.